To add an image to a collection in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. In the sidebar, go to Products and select Collections. Next, find the collection you want to add an image to and click on it. This will open the settings page for that collection. In the Collection Image section, you'll see an option to upload an image. Shopify recommends an 800 by 800 pixel image for the best quality. You can drag and drop your image file here, or click to browse your computer for an image to upload. If you'd like to create a custom image, you can use a tool like Canva. Open Canva, log in, and click on Create a Design. Choose Custom Size, set the dimensions to 800 by 800 pixels, and use Canva's image search or upload your own photo to fit the theme of your collection. Resize and adjust as needed, then click Download. PNG format works well. Once your image is ready, go back to Shopify and drag the downloaded image into the upload area for the collection. After the image uploads, click Save to apply it to your collection. And that's it. You've added a collection image in Shopify.